Hi everyone, in this video I'll be teaching you guys how to combine two different hairstyles into one single hairstyle. So as you can see here, I have two different files. The two hair colors can also be in different colors. So the first thing you can do is find two heads that you want to combine together. They don't have to be in the same color because the first thing we will be doing is making them into one single color. So the first thing you want to do is change one of the hair color into the other hair's color. Use the color picker tool and select the darkest shade of the color you want to change both heads into. For my edit, I want to change my blonde hair file into purple hair. In my case, I picked the darkest shade of purple and changed the darkest shade of blonde into the darkest shade of purple. After you're done with that, you can move on to the second darkest shade, and then so on until you're done with the whole head. It's a bit hard to know which shade is the darkest and second darkest and third, so I'll be using the select by color tool to help me out. A trick I use to distinguish the color in order from darkest to lightest is by counting from the darkest to the lightest one by one. In order for this to work, make sure the threshold for your select by color tool is set to 0, like what I have here. So now you just continue counting the shades and putting the shades onto the other hair until you're all done with the whole head. After you're done with that, the next thing you want to do is make the two different layers, two different files into one single layer. I spent some time to change the color for the eyebrows here because I realized they were still blonde. So now I'm just changing it to purple to match the hair color. So the next thing to do is select every single pixel on your file. Add a new layer. Now right click, edit, and then copy visible. Go to the layer you added at first and right click to paste in place. Now you can delete the two files you were editing on at first because you won't need them anymore. Now your new hairstyle is all in one file. We can consider this as a finished file. If you don't really like your hair color right now, you can continue watching. So what we do is, using the select by color tool, we select every single color that is on the hair. Make sure to change the setting of your tool to select multiple at the same time. Also make sure your threshold is at 0. To change every shade of your hair all together, you want to right click and then colorize. Click the color box to try different colors on the color gradient. Try different colors until you find the color you like and then click OK. Okay, that's all for this video. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or anything you want to say. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe if you would like to see more contents like this. Thank you.